Hello, good morning, friends. Today I am doing a vlog about Dharmasthala temple, which is located in Karnataka, and it is a famous Shiva temple in Dharmasthala. Actually, this is Vaishali Vasati Graha. So we have stayed here, and we are planning to stay here for one day all. And now we are going to the Netravati river, which is a holy place for all people, holy dip. So we are going there right now. And if you want to plan to stay here in Dharmasthala, you can visit for Vaishali Vasati Graha, which is exactly opposite to the temple road. So guys, this is the temple road of Dharmasthala temple, which is a sacred place, as you can know. Here you can get many kind of food and restaurants out here, and you can get many temple requirements like dollars and all those things. Yeah. Opposite there is a Trupti restaurant. You can go and have some breakfast and lunch there. It is a very affordable place there. You can go and eat. So guys, now we are entering the Trupti hotel, which is located exactly opposite to the temple. So we are going to have the breakfast here. Then we are going to take the darshan of the Lord Manjunatha Swami. It's located exactly left side. So we are going now. So guys, now we have ordered tomato bath from Trupti hotel here. It costs only 30 rupees, I guess. It is very affordable, and I'm going to have this, and after that we are going for the darshan in temple. This is Trupti hotel, as you can see here. Nice hotel. You can come with your family and friends. Thank you. So many people come here and take the darshan of Lord Manjunatha Swami here. The darshan here. This is the queue for the darshan. So we are going now. There is a lot of rush here. I think we need to wait for at least 2 or 3 hours. After that, we can get the darshan of Lord Manjunatha Swami. So we are eagerly waiting for the darshan of the Lord. So we are waiting here. Okay. Listen. So guys, this is the prasadalai. First they will put some water to clean the leaf. After that they'll start to give some prasadam like rice, sambar and all those things. I'll show you that one. More than 100 people can sit in one row here. So guys, now they are going to add some payasa here. It is the first step for prasadam here, as you can see here. Now they are going to add some vegetable kuttu here. Now it came. You can mix it with rice and you can consume it. But it will be really tasty, guys. You must try that one. So guys, we have completed the darshan right now. It took more than 3 hours because there was a line, and lastly we had lunch. So we are going now. Yeah. So guys, this is the side view of Dharmasthala. As you can see here, we have completed the darshan right now. It took almost 3 to 4 hours because today was the weekend, and many people gathered here, and we had lunch in Annaprasadam area there inside the Dharmasthala temple. As you can see, this is how it looks. From here there is an entrance, main entrance, and maybe two-wheelers you should park here only. Then after that you need to go inside like this. And here is the way to the darshan. And there is a one luggage counter also. If you have bought the luggage, you can keep it there. So guys, here there is a way for parking here. So you need to enter here, and then there are many kind of temples which is exactly left hand side of the temple. You can buy any kind of like products there. And after that, here I come for the statue of Lord Shiva, famous Shiva here. This is the beautiful statue which is located in Dharmasthala. While you enter the premises, you can locate this statue here, and this looks it's very beautiful. And in right hand side, you can enter the temple. As you can see here. So guys, this is Annappa temple. As when you enter the exact Dharmasthala, in the left hand side you can locate the Annappa Swami temple here. It is believed that Annappa Swami bought the Manjunatha Linga from Mangalore Kadri, and in this temple only men are allowed here inside the temple. Women are not allowed, as you can see there. This is also one of the famous temple inside Dharmasthala.